Hello, traders. Somehow having issues with my NinjaTrader on my VPS. It's really slow. I don't know what it's going on with NinjaTrader. I know it's the NinjaTrader or what. Anyways, before I go on, here's the disclaimer: any comments made during this live stream should not be taken as a signal service or a signal to trade. Right? Uh, it's basically for educational purposes only. So anything that's discussed here is for educational purposes to show you how I trade the KTC basic strategy. Well, not only I think that it's more of the SYL, the little advanced strategy called the stand in your lane. So if you decide to copy my trades, I am not liable for any of your losses on your either your evaluation or your funded accounts. Okay. Since I do not provide any type of signal services whatsoever. But like I said, if you do decide to copy my trades, I'm not liable for any of your losses that you may incur. And with that said, any past performance is not should I say conducive? Is not really what's the word I'm looking for? So does not guarantee future results. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyways, like I said, any past performance is not does not imply that again it says there that traders will be profitable. Okay. So anyways, let's get to my chart. Well, I think it's still trying to load. I already made a trade before, then it somehow got locked up. I don't know why. Which I made let me see if I can show you here. Okay, there we are. Oh, now it's moving pretty good now. Okay, so I made one trade, 200. This is on my PA account, 150K PA account. This is my 8th trading day. So technically, I can just quit right now and just request for a payout. I believe I'm over $10,000 in profit. Let me see. Yep, I'm over $10,000 in profit. Required balance, the minimum required balance to withdraw a maximum of 2,750 is basically 7,000 something, around 7,000, right? So here you can see we're bouncing off, right? This thing, I can take that going down. Let's see.
Order filled.
I'm just trading the 5-minute right now because right now this is still trying to load there. This may go down to further down here. Let's see if it's going to take it or not. Next to this, what we call what's it called? The fair value gap. Let's see if we can get down there. That'd be a good trade. Again, I'm basing it on 5-minute because this one is, you can see, wait, has it loaded yet? Yeah, there we go. And this one I gotta get. Okay, there. So I'm 235. Okay, this may just went back up. So basically got I'm down 300. It looks like it's moving pretty good. I might have to go to the, that's fine. It's moving quite good. You know what? Let me go to the because usually I'm trading the, I might have to go to the this one, the Ninja Renko 6416. That's where I might have to go. The way it's moving right now. Did I trade? Oh, no wonder I traded 2 contracts. I should have been trading 1. That's the reason why. I was really set at 100. There we are. Which is 70. Okay. It should be set at 100. Or I mean, had the wrong setting. So let me see if I can get to that back. One contract, 200. And now we have the 64.16 because it's moving pretty good. See, it's coming back down.
Order filled.
This might bounce off the 233. Let's see. Still below the zero line here. But this 233 is a very strong. Man.
Stop filled.
Let's go back up here. So I'm going to take the time here. So we have a higher low.
Order filled.
Hopefully it doesn't try to bounce back down here. Oh man,
Stop filled.
I'm trying to move that. It doesn't want to move. Okay, I'm at 1500. Am I gonna get chopped out here? That's the move going up.
Order filled.
Okay, so we have 3 minutes before opening. Let's see how erratic this opening is going to be. Yeah, I'm surprised it's trying to go down here. So you can get a push up rather than a push down. I hate this when it's over there right up by the mid band because this may push down. Tell you the truth, it's going to push down.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
One minute. He's going to give enough momentum to come down. Or will it bounce off the 233 again? Got 1 minute. See, that's what I'm saying. Let's see what it's going to do. I don't want to risk this. It was
Order filled.
1765. It may bounce back up. I don't want to risk that. There's the opening. Really not strong momentum trying to break this deviation to get up here. Okay, there. Maybe it's coming in now.
Order filled.
So you can get 500 here. Come on, push up one more.
Target filled.
No, it's trying to move it up. At least we got 600.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled.
So you can get past that. It has a momentum. Well, let's see, they kill the momentum. Nah. Don't tell me I'm giving it back.
Stop filled.
Of course, I give it all back. This is just... I don't know what's going on with the Ninja Trader right now. Because it's kind of, like, you can see how the move is. It's really erratic. Okay, so we create a high.
Filled.
So most likely this is going to be coming down. Let's see if I can get this to move. There. See? So erratic. Most likely they're going to get down here. This is basically what it did there was so you can get down here further down. Might get up to here. Let's see what happens here. So let me just get this. That's it. Come on. We want to break this because if we can get 1.5 here, I'll be happy. Yeah, this may go up because of the bounce off, right? We'll see. This is a 1.5 deviation. Let's see if it continues coming down. If the momentum is strong enough. Come on, bring it down. See, that's why it's going to bounce. We have strong enough momentum to bring it past to get down here. Can we have a okay, so I see this. We may have a good let's see what happens here. That's the fair value gap.
Target filled.
Let's try and get down here to the 233. Let's see. So I'm only down 75, and I'll take that from being down 75. My target was actually trying to bring it down to here, which will basically coincide here to the -1 deviation. Strong. That's where this is what you call the liquidity dump right there. Created a higher high, then brought it down. And I'll probably stop there. I don't risk anymore on this. Like I said,
Order filled.
no, at least get 200. See, it gets down there. That's it. So now it decides to push it up. Nah. Man, I'm having a tough time trying to bring this down. I hate this when they hit this stuff going up here. Let's see if we can bring it down here. No, 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 no. No, don't tell me you're going to do a railroad. No, 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 no. Just come back down. You already had the momentum coming down. Man, you got down to plus 50. Come on.
Stop filled.
Oh, that's what I hate.
Order
That's what I
filled.
hate when they do that. So bouncing off this fair value gap, it may go all the way up there. So right now I can't tell because there's not enough momentum going up, but it is bouncing off that fair value gap. Now, if I can just get maybe 300 out of this thing, I'll be happy. Again, it might bounce off this 1.5 deviation to go down because there's not really strong enough momentum right now. Even though this is showing strong momentum to the upside, but you can see none. It just had a deep pullback. Let's see. Oh, I hate this when this happens like this. They just don't want to be testing your resolve. They have, like I said, they have a fair value gap to the upside here. I don't know why it's coming down. Yeah. I can't be doing this thing.
Order
This
filled.
is just driving up the wall.
Order filled.
Now, will they continue coming down is the question. They already have a reversal there. Question is, how deep will this thing go right there? Right? Yeah. I'll take that. If we can get the 1,000 here, I'd be happy. Again, it may go down all the way down here, right? Again, it depends on how strong this momentum is. Let me see this. I want to make sure that you see this coming, trying to get back up.
Stop filled.
So it might bounce off here. I don't know. MACD. There's no longer, they wiped that out. So it may bounce off this 233 on the 5 minute. I don't know. We just have strong momentum here to the downside, looks like. It did bounce off the 21 EMA right there. There's a reversal bar. I'll take this going down.
Order filled.
Create a lower high, right? So anyway, it should create a lower low, just enough to get down here. No, at least that's what it should do. Oh man, they're just really tricking me in this thing here. Let's see. That's good. They didn't take my. Well, I'm not gonna say anything. You may still do it. The way this is just being erratic right now. It has to create a lower. Well, it doesn't have to. The probabilities has created a low. It's going to create a lower low, but create a lower high. But right now, it looks like there's no momentum trying to bring this down. You can see right here. This should be going down, but it's not. See this? It's not yet crossing the zero line on the MACD. So when we go up, just look at the MACD. We may have divergence if it goes down. Yep.
Stop filled.
Oh, this is just annoying. One more. I want to there. Okay, so they create a higher high. It should be creating a higher high. Higher low, higher high. Let me see if we can get it up to there. See this higher low? You know, if we break this structure right here. It should come up all the way up there. Hopefully it tries to test this up here. I don't know what that line is. Let's see. It may bounce off the 233. But we have strong momentum on the MACD here. How strong? Let's see. Got up to 240. Let's see if we can beat that. We can break that up there. See, that's what I'm saying. It's just try and push up. If we can get past 240. 190, 210. Yeah, it's trying to push that 240. Hmm. We need to have a push of buyers coming in. Oh man, this is just it's showing me strong momentum to the upside. Watch this bounce off here.
Stop filled.
No man. Okay, I'm done. I don't want to be giving all this back again.
Order filled.
Again, this may come back up. Premature sell here. Because you're still above the zero line. That's the reason
Order
why.
filled.
That's how you. This is so tricky. You can't really. And this is showing me that. So we have still 1 minute. This is going to be going up. You got to test that.
Order filled.
I just want to see what they aren't really giving me a breakout. See, look at that. They just bring it down. Yeah, they're just bringing it. This is at the 233. They don't know what to do. I'm gonna close this out. 405, 475. Yep. I'm done.
Order filled.
Just gotta wait. What are you gonna do here?
Order filled.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Order submitted.
I can protect my whatever small profit I can get out of this.
Order canceled.
Yeah, now it goes up. Somehow
Order
they
submitted.
think they somehow know where. Oh man, now it starts to go up here. Not really a breakup because there's no momentum to this.
Order canceled.
So it creates a higher high. So let's see.
Order filled. Target filled.
I'll take that 200. Is this making out continue coming down? Let's see what it does here, right there.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Let's see, they come in with a. No, they don't come in with the momentum. Let's see.
Order filled.
Oh, why did that connect? Why did it give me two?
Target filled.
I
Stop
brought it down
filled.
too far. You know what? This is just unbelievable. This, I don't know what's going on with NinjaTrader. It just gave me a spotty thing here. And it's, I have a server. It should be,
Order submitted.
target be down here at this, let's see if we can get that. I put my stop too tight. I mean, it's supposed to be up here somewhere.
Order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Okay, I'll take that anytime. That was the breakout. There was the breakout right there. That's your liquidity flush right there. Create a higher high. Oh wait, did I just end that? Oh, you gotta be freaking. Oh, there we are. There it is. That was your liquidity flush right there. I gotta see what's going on with this NinjaTrader right now because it's just really raggedy. Created a higher high, just came back down right away. I'm happy with that 925. I'll take that. In fact. Okay, guys, I'm done with the London session. I'll be trading the morning session, the New York morning session. Hopefully, I'll see if I can trade the wealth charts. You just go, okay, Lyra 6416. What you do is go to right here, go to data series. Okay, are you here still, Lyra? And there, 6416. Change that from 20. This should be 20. That's how you originally it's 20 by 4, so now it's 64 by 16. I only do this when market is moving too fast. I want to slow the candles down. Now the fair value gap, no, that's on a 5-minute. That's more advanced. Yeah, so your London is truth trader. Your London's not moving. Yeah, mine is moving. It's just slow. I don't know why. How do you know if fair value gap is green? Does that mean price is high? No, when it's a green fair value gap, it means it's going up. It's going to bounce off and go up. If it's orange, it's going to be a fair value gap to the downside, meaning it's going to bounce off and come down. Yeah, it's a. How do you look for fair value gaps? It's an indicator that basically plots it, and you can plot it. I have mine plotted in a 5 minute. 5 minute. Let me see here. Yeah, 5 minute bar. So these are 5 minute. You can see your fair value. I know you can see that. So they're fair 5 minute fair value gap. So it plots. Look up Google. You can do either Chat GPT or Google fair value gap. It can explain to you what a fair value gap is. It's composed of 3 candles. In this particular one, you see a candle down. So we have one candle here, one, then it came up. Then you have the third one as basically this just basically just prints the fair value gap for me. It's composed of 3 candles, 1, 2, and then this third one on the way up. That's why it's, see how it's bouncing up now, because it's bouncing off. It's a green, so that's a bullish fair value gap, while this is a bearish fair value gap. Okay, but I'd rather have you guys get done with the basics first. You need to get into the basics instead of getting into these other things, and then you'll be thoroughly confused. Get mass. Okay, for example, like you asked Lara about the 6416. Yeah, that's good. Because if the 20x4 is going too fast because of the volatility, I would switch to the 6416. It slows it down. Okay, so I'll be requesting for a payout on this one. I'm over. Am I close? Am I 11,000? Let me see here. No, 10,000. Yeah, 10,656 in profit on this one, and I needed 7,000. That's why I need to get that 3,000 back. Okay, so it's bouncing off this, this strong deviation level. You should see. I could have just taken this going back up, made the other to make that 1,000. So, anyways, see you guys this tonight, New York morning session. I'll be trading an eval, but it's a 50K. I'll be trading micros, but if I have time to trade on the wealth charts, I will. There's some of you are asking how I trade on the wealth chart and what's my setup. I'll be live streaming that if I have time on tonight's or New York morning session. Here in the Philippines, it'll be at night, but in the East Coast, it's going to be 10:30 a.m. Eastern. Here in the Philippines, it's going to be 10:30 p.m. here. Okay. Okay, that took some stress. Hope you guys are green, and we'll see how that wealth chart's moving compared to Ninja Trader. If it's moving just as slow, or if it's just moving like this, I don't know. I already cleared my, what you call it, what's it called, the cash, and still doing the same thing. I have no idea what's going on. I don't know if it's a server. I don't know if it's the Ninja, not the Ninja, but the Rhythmic server or what. But I will connect. Let's see how the wealth chart is doing. But before that, I'll probably trade my MNQ on the 50K there. Yesterday, I made 2,000 just trading micros, and that's on a 50K PA. So I'll be doing that. That was my first day, so that's gonna be my second day in that. So, by the end of today, I'll be requesting a payout for this 150K PA. I have another PA that I still have to trade another 150K. I'll be doing that as well. Okay. Any questions, Lara? Hopefully, I answered your question. No more? I'll see you guys later, hopefully. If you guys are trading this this Globex session, stay green, okay? Stay safe and God bless again. All by His grace that I'm able to come back from that $3,000 loss or drawdown. Okay, Lara. See you guys. Hopefully, see you guys later. Bye bye.